Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda. Hi. Today, that's right, it's day 7! Day 7 of our Bird and Blend Tea Advent Calendar, and I am so excited that I can't hardly wait to see what we have in store for us today. So let's find out. Da-da-da. All right, day number 7. Let's put on the spectacles. Ooh. Today is Hazelnut Rocher. Hazelnut and chocolate black tea with a splash of gold. Ingredients are, oh, this is a lot, get ready for it. Sri Lankan black tea, cocoa nibs, caramelized hazelnut, sugar, cocoa shells, sprinkles, which are sugar glazing agent, carnauba wax, stabilizers, which is gum arabic, colors, oh geez, E100 curcumin, E163 blah 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 blah, E171 titanium dioxide, an anti-caking agent, which is potassium aluminum silicate and natural flavoring. It is brewed for 4 minutes. You can have it with or without milk. My goodness. So, ooh, it's a dusty bin, but that's all right. Let's stick our 7 back in there. Okay, we'll take off our spectacles, and wow, this is surprisingly smellless. Here's the insides. So let's plop this in and let's see what we got here. Oh, ooh, that's shifted a little bit. Make sure my water doesn't fall off. Hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, counting down.
All right. Middle ones are 3. This blue ones are 5. And let's see what we get in 4 minutes, shall we? If this is your first time at the channel, thanks for stopping. Oh, nuts! Yeah, that was real smart. Oh well, we'll just redo it. That's all good. All right, if this is your first time at the channel, hey, thanks for coming. Ow! All right, you know, things aren't going proper right now, and that's all right. Yuck. Okay, if this is your first time at the channel, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it tremendously. I am glad that you are spending a little bit of your holiday time with me. That makes me feel really special, and I appreciate it. If you have come back to the channel to see what kind of fun stuff we can unwrap from our Bird and Blend Advent Calendar, I'm excited that you're here too. Thanks for coming back and seeing what kind of shenanigans and fun stuff we have today. I don't know how I feel about today's tea. I don't mind hazelnuts, but like Nutella gets to be a little bit much sometimes. I can handle a little bit of it, but that's so very sweet. I mean, Nutella is mostly sugar anyway. I don't know. So I'll tell you a story. You might find endearing, you might not. Growing up, we didn't have growing up, I believe that we didn't have central heat. We had a cast iron wood burning stove that was in our dining room. My mom and dad's house is kind of this big open thing. And so my dad would make a raging fire every night before we go to bed, and we'd always sleep with our doors open so that we could try to get the heat coming in. And when it was Christmas time, we'd roast nuts on that wood burning stove. Peanuts, almonds, walnuts, hazelnuts. You get that bag of nuts at Christmas time. We'd roast all of those, and those are some of my first experiences with hazelnuts, is having them roasted like that during holiday times. I love almonds. I'm okay with walnuts. They have to be in brownies. But I love hazelnuts like that, just roasted. Peanuts. One of my, we called him Grandpa. He was my cousin's grandpa, but we called him Grandpa too. He was a peanut farmer, so I have a special or a special place in my heart for peanuts. I love almonds. Oh my goodness, I love almonds. Cashews, I'm hit or miss with cashews. I don't like soft nuts that much, except I will say macadamia nuts are amazing, and I love Brazil nuts. Even though they are a little bit oily, and I can only have a couple of them at a time. But I could eat almonds all the time. Of course, I think anyway, hey Siri, stop timer. Okay, so we'll stop our timer as I lament about almonds, and we will pull our bag. Ooh, now that I've just poured tea down the side. The color is kind of interesting. It's for a black tea based tea, anyway, it's not quite as dark as I thought it would be, but that's okay. It is a bit cloudy. You can see through things. I mean, I can tell that there's a Mickey head here, but it's not so, it's like it's got a soft filter on it, a Barbara Walters filter or something. Now that I've stirred it, I can't really, I think there's particulate. It smells, it kind of smells like hot chocolate, like a really watered down hot chocolate. I am not enjoying that. That is hot water. Honestly, to me, that does not have much of a taste at all. It tastes more like just hot water with a trace of a trace of chocolate in it. I'm not even able to taste the black tea, really. This is not my cup of tea. That's a shame. Not enjoying that at all. It tastes like hot water with like I said, like a trace of chocolate. So there's really no reason to continue on with the review, because that's it. So thanks for coming by and having a cuppa with me today. I really do appreciate it. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye. Well, hey there. Did you enjoy the content today? I really hope so. If you did, think about subscribing. That would really help me out. Thanks!